Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Watch out, Jake. Don't get in the way of it.
Go in the hole. Hole in one. Perfect time. It's right underneath it. Four. Perfect timing. Right in there.
Watch it. Watch it.
Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one.
My heart's pounding.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Sandy wins the hole.
Hi, Jax.
I guess anybody can still win if they hit their ball in. It's local sport. It's 10,000 IQ. That's right. She could hit your ball in. There we go. Sandy gets the big hole in one. Nicely done.